Good morning, it's me Jimmy. So here the Ulanzi MT-20 carbon fiber camera tripod. I was looking for a very compact tripod. Again, Ulanzi did not send me. Personally, I love Ulanzi product. I've been using the Ulanzi MT-16. I have been using Ulanzi Bluetooth wireless selfie stick for the Canon and Sony. So now here's the Ulanzi MT-20. Let me just do the unboxing. So let me do, so the cameraman can come here and show. So yeah, the cameraman can come more further. Okay, the cameraman can show easily. So here it is the Ulanzi. Okay, it came in a good pouch with a belt loop, and it came with some carbon clip and the manual. Let me put the box aside and let me just focus on the tripod. Okay, it's quite small. Okay, even there's some extension pole inside. Let me just take out the extension pole. It's quite lightweight, but it's really a carbon fiber or some kind of plastic. The build quality, I'm not liking it, to be honest with you. Okay, let me just do what this. The build quality is like not that great. I want to be honest here. It's not that great. So the cameraman, can you show me from far away? So the build quality is not that great. Like, the build quality is not that great. I want to be honest here. And here is the spike for using in the grass, as you can see. Let me just, okay, here we go. I'm a little bit worried that can it hold my Panasonic S5 with the 20 to 60 millimeter. I think this is the maximum extension it go. And what about this one? Now the build quality is left to desire. I'm not happy with the build quality. Now how to extend this one? You see, let me show you from the closer. The build quality is quite like left to desire. Build quality is not there. What happened? What just fell down? Something just broke. What was this? I have no idea. What is? The build quality is really very bad. Let me be honest with you. I'm not happy with the build quality. Okay, let me install this one. Can I recommend? I mean, for the size, this one is great. Mostly you should be using as a selfie stick, is much better. A selfie stick like this, it will be better. Something like this will be better, in my opinion. This is how you should use compared to anything else. The build quality is quite bad, to be honest with you. I'm not really liking it. So yeah, I mean, you can put here something like this, or you can do something like this, or maybe I can close this one. I mean, yeah, the build quality is quite mediocre at best. I'm not liking it. For example, like, can I put something here like this? I'm not liking the build quality. Let me be honest with you. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy. Check out link in the description box. Subscribe and bye. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy, I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die. Bye.